so I'm trying this Mont paint with a little bit of golden in the bronzy colour, and I'm so I've tried it with just Mont paint and Mont pouring medium, and it really didn't work very well. It was hard to get the right consistency for the oil to still come up. So I've now mixed into the remaining paints a little bit of PVA and some other golden GAC 800, a little bit of varnish. Just played around to try and get a better feel for it, a better flow of it. So I think we've achieved that, although I still think it's a little bit, the consistency still a little bit clumpy rather than flowing as quite as I would normally like it to be. So I've done a pretty full 16 ounce cup here, and we'll see whether we can get better cells from this. How am I going to do this? I think I might just turn it over from the centre. Actually, that doesn't hurt to do that, It's just going to get a little bit of coverage over it. Anyway, we're going to then turn it over. So what we might do this time though is we might torch it first and then do the pour. I've just gone mad on the torching just because I was worried nothing was happening. We're just getting really little cells that are appearing. So we'll see what happens when we try and stretch this out. Okay, so they are stretching out nice, and this is so many of these little ones because I went mad with the oil. But that they are nice. They're holding getting some nice shapes here. So isn't that interesting? Those tiny little cells that came up are still stretching out nicely. So we're not going to get the really big cells, but we're getting quite a good range of little cells that are nice and in shape. So I'll do this edge while I'm down here, getting ready for the next. Okay, so trying to just gradually go down. It's hard when you finally just get to that edge and you think, oh, I've got to go for it. And the paint back, and then we'll go to the other corner. And bring the paint back. Okay, well actually isn't that amazing? That's quite pretty, and I wouldn't have necessarily thought from those tiny little cells that came up. So therefore, it just shows the power of the stretching exercise.